everyone, let's make some egg drop soup. So quick ingredient rundown. I'm using some salt. I have some sesame oil. We have ground white pepper, some turmeric, ginger, chicken bouillon, chicken broth. I have a little cornstarch mixture with water here, 3 eggs, and some green onions. Let's get started. I'm gonna pour in the entire container of chicken broth. I think it's 16 ounces, but the entire container. So I poured all of that in. I'm adding my salt. I'm not really measuring it. I'm adding some garlic powder and the ginger and my white pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and crush up my chicken bouillon and put that in there. And then I'm gonna stir that up nicely. And now I'm adding into my turmeric to give it that nice color. And this is my cornstarch water mixture, just to thicken it up a bit. Give it some more stirs. I'm gonna go ahead and whip up the eggs. So I'm just going to crack 3 eggs into this little mixing cup and give that a whisk as well. And while we're at it, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up my green onions. And now that my mixture has come to a simmer or a boil, I'm gonna reduce the heat a little bit and go ahead and start to add in my egg mixture. Nice boil going. Like I said, reduce the heat, and you want to go ahead and get a stir going on. You want to stir in one motion. So I'm going clockwise. I'm going to always stir clockwise. As I'm stirring, I'm letting the egg, I'm pouring the eggs in so that they can flower and bloom. I think that's the term. So that the eggs can bloom. Again, keep stirring in that one direction. Maybe a whisk isn't the best for this portion, but it's that simple. Just continue to stir as you pour in the mixture at a steady pace, same motion. I do that until the mixture is all gone, and now I'm going to add in my sesame oil. First, I see how much I think I'm going to need, and maybe add a little bit more. Give that a nice stir. Now your soup is pretty much ready. You can go ahead and throw in your green onions, and you are ready to serve. I personally wanted a big bowl of soup on this particular day, so I'm pouring in several ladles full of this soup. And now to enjoy. Hello y'all, so I have my soup. Here we go. It's really hot. It's hot, but it's good. 10 out of 10. Make again.